Hey, what's going on, guys? So Osman here. So if you've already watched my previous case study, you've probably seen like I showed how to close the sales from adding a new friend. I showed how I close the sales from sending a friend request on Facebook. And if you enjoy it, I'll really appreciate your feedback. You can just go and leave a comment for me. But this is just a continuation where I mentioned brand new student making his first commission online using my proven script formula. So that's my special bonus for you. It's free. I'm just going to give you for free to show you like how I'm doing it. Okay. So if you haven't watched my free case study, you can just go on YouTube and type how to close sales on Messenger, and then you see my video showing up. You can just go and watch it. Okay. And here is some of the feedback that people are giving me from watching the case study, right? So I got a friend there on the left. He said, "Hey Osman, just watch your case study on how to close sales on Messenger. It was mind blowing, so I really appreciate that." And then I got Mani Hanif as well. He closed the 2K sales using Messenger of what me and Joyce told him, so that was really amazing. And then I got my friend Augusto. He saw my video, he learned a few things from me, and I really appreciate the feedback. And I got somebody else, I can't remember his name. He's watched my case study and then he said, "Amazing, looking forward to another one," right? And then I got my good friend Christina Carrera. She wrote to me a very long post. Like when I saw her message, it really made my day, and that's a detailed feedback. So I really appreciate her for just being real, and she's an awesome person as well. So if you're watching this, you can go and connect to Christina Carrera. Right, so here is a proven script, right? The proven script that I'm using is the same script that I'm using here. So if somebody who has who's brand new, just getting started and doesn't know how to do anything, but they have to position themselves as an authority. This is what I explained in my previous case study, right? So this is a script that I gave this guy, and this guy is from Nigeria. Okay, so this is a script. I'm just showing you the script first before I move further. So it says free organic traffic plus recurring income. Are you serious about passive income? I want to give you for free and teach you how to earn with affiliate marketing. I will show you how you can earn with just a simple affiliate link. No website, no funnels, or any complicated tool. You will learn how to drive free organic traffic using my unique method. Here's the deal. You must have at least $1 to get started. You must be able to follow my instruction. I trust my training so much, so let's say you don't make any money in the first 30 days of working with me and following my instruction. You get no value from me whatsoever. I will refund you your full money. No question asked. If you want me to help you earn your first commission online, type ready in the comments below. Let's go. Disclaimer, I can only help 5 people at a time. Guys, so this script is a copywriting script, guys. It's a copywriting script. Like, I'm really giving away everything that I'm offering. It's an irresistible offer, right? So you must have at least $1. So you might be thinking, Osman, $1? I don't want to make $1. But guys, every funnel that you go through is a low offer. It's a low end funnel. Like some funnels are free. You get a free course and then they upsell you, right? You've seen this. You're a marketer. You know how this works. But $1, if somebody is not willing to spend $1, then it's not for them, right? So again, if people are commenting, this means they already sold from your post. If they're commenting, means they already sold. They really want this offer because they're not making any money, right? And this is a script I gave to somebody who is from Nigeria. If you have a product that is $25, you can say you must have at least 25. So this is just an example of the script that you can use to actually get people. So this guy, he bought the $1, and then because the offer I gave him is a recurring offer, and you have to be approved. Like me and my partner Samir, we are in good hands with people who are product vendor in Warrior Plus. So we asked the product vendor, can you please approve our friend, because they're student hours, so not everybody get approved. So this guy posts what I said, and then he made one sale. Thank you. So I might be thinking, Osman, he made 0.49 cents, so that's not really worth it. But he's building a buyer's list, people who buy stuff, right? So he got his sale, so he's so happy, right? Again, the next day he woke up, he saw all this, look, 5 sales, right? So when he bought this, when he saw these sales, he was so happy. He started messaging me, "Hey, Osman, I've started making sales," right? So this was really made my day, because I can see somebody from Nigeria with no authority, nothing. He just followed my instruction and he started making sales. So you might be thinking, Osman, but this is a $1 product. It's not going to make any sense, right? So this is a screenshot of our account where I'm making $4,175 recurring payment for the same offer. that we promoted. Okay, so don't look at a low-end ticket offer, because these products are recurring, right? They pay you like $9 every month. Some pay at least $17 every month. These are income that you can earn to cover some expenses. Obviously not going to make you rich, but you're going to get some income coming in so that you can use in your daily life, right? So $4,000 every month is okay, right? For just one income stream. You can promote anything else, but just for this alone, one product just to get your feet wet is fine, right? And here is the scenario. Like for anybody that buy anything from us, either me or Samir, we give them a lunge jacking course. It's the same course that I gave this guy. So he went through this course. As you can see on the left, it's got lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So he went through this lesson. He's using only 3 strategies on how to do it, and he started making sales. So if you want this for free, right? Obviously, we can't give it for free. If you buy something from us, even if it's a $1 product, we don't care. You're just going to get this, right? You're just going to get this lunge jacking secrets, right? So this is for you if you want to do this. However, I'm not here to sell you anything. I just want to show you what works and then what we are doing and how we are helping people, okay? So here is a continuation from this guy. He started getting sales now from following the lunge jacking secrets course, right? So he started getting commission, right? And that's more screenshot. So Assalamu alaikum, I got a new alert waking up from my bed. Thanks and God's blessings. So 11:45, and then this guy started making $11, $8, $19, $24. So sales start coming in, right? Alhamdulillah, got 4 sales now. So this guy is from Nigeria. You can imagine somebody from Nigeria got no authority online and start making money. So this is something for me, right? I can help somebody make at least, even if somebody make at least $100 a month, that's still something. Somebody from HA-free countries making $100 a month, even $10 a day, whatever it is. Because this is no income disclaimer. I'm not saying that the information you're going to apply is going to make you any money. This is a case study. I'm just sharing what is working for me and for people who are following my instruction, okay? Again, this is for somebody who is using a proven script, right? I'm talking about proven script, which you can use as well. So this person has built her following, and then she got like a very engaged friends on Facebook. She's using the script, and she got 712 comments, right? So guys, I'm not sure if you can see this, 712 comments, okay? Just from making a single post, 712 comments, guys, right? So the script works for any business, right? Any business that is oops, I don't know what happened. Yeah, so I'm saying this script works as long as you know how to write copywriting posts. So if you will go inside my Facebook group, you're going to see you're going to get the script, right? This is what I meant. You're going to get the script, right? So now my question to you is, who wants to learn how to close sales live, right? So I'm just going to make this post inside my private Facebook group, where if I get enough comments, me and Samir is going to jump on live and show you how to close sales, right? So this is what it is, guys. So I've shown you the proven scripts, but if you guys want to learn how to do it to close sales live, let us know in the comments below. Okay, so I'll see you on the internet. Bye for now.